Hi, I'm Susanna Gore and my student ID is 303763666. Today I'm going to discuss about the relevance activities done in the lab of the week 7. In this week we got to know why ERP systems are implemented to include the business process reengineering and the role of the top management on business process reengineering process. In our lab tasks, we got multiple tasks to do in SAP Fiori Launchpad. Our first task was to review the cost center standard hierarchy or cost center structures is an organized data object that is used to assign and capture cost in a meaningful manner. It supports in our decision making process. It is deemed to be accountable for incurring and influencing cost. In order to review the cost center hierarchy, we used display cost center group app of SAP. We fill the required fields such as the controlling area. We can see the number of the entries which we solved before and inserted in the app. Then in order to expand the software in the given app, we can choose the various option given source, which can shows us a complete hierarchy of the selected lists um, selected list as shown in the screens. And our second task was to display the cost element. As we know, primary cost element have one-to-one relationship with expenses account. They sought to establish a relations between FI and CO, thereby permitting the sharing of the information between financial and the managerial account. For this purpose, we choose the Manage General Ledger Account Master Data app of the SAP. It took us to the cost elements which are stored in the SAP. We have to find all the general ledgers account and search for the chart of the account view for the uh, global bike. For the global bike enterprise, and then we selected the primary cost or the revenue and view chart of the accounts. There we can see the labor of the expenses and its controlling area. We could also choose the secondary cost to process further. And our third task was to display the cost elements group. For this purpose, we used the display cost element group uh, app of the SAP and we selected the given controlling area. Then we can see the master data and the details of all the expenses. From these activities, we were able to calculate the primary and the secondary cost elements. Here we can get all the cost elements, primary cost element and its related master data as well. In this way we completed our lab sevens by knowing by understanding the different cost element groups, which help in the business process reengineering, and which help to store the informations regarding the general ledgers and the primary and the secondary cost element. Thank you.